Hey everyone, it's Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection, and in today's Beauty Newbie, I'm going to teach you how to get this monochromatic makeup look. It's super easy and we just use a few products, so let's get started. For this look, I'm going to use the color peach, but you could definitely use mauve or lavender or pink. It's really up to you what you want to do for your monochromatic look. So I'm going to start off using a dual use product. This one is the Valentino Eye to Cheek Blush and Eyeshadow. This one is in shade 8. You can see it's like a peachy tone, really beautiful, and I love a powder for a monochromatic look because it's just really easy to get a nice blend from it. So I'm going to start off by applying this on my eye, and I'm going to use the number 15 brush and just applying it all over my lid, and then I'm going to buff it out with a number 27 brush to just get it a really nice soft halo effect. I like to pat first, and then I will, comb through it or brush through it essentially to give it a nice blend, but that just helps you to get a really nice opacity to the eyeshadow. It gives you enough to work with so you can blend. And again, my placement is just on my lid up to my crease. So if you have a hard time finding your crease, you can just look directly in the mirror and keep your eye open and mark where that fold occurs on your eye. All right, so next I'm going to take the number 27 brush and just lightly buff around the crease to give it a little bit more of a blended, diffused look. So you can either do like a windshield wiper motion like this, or you can do tiny circles, but this is just going to buff out any of the harsh edges to really give it that soft, glowy effect. So the third step is to apply this same shade to your cheeks. And what I really like to do is just smile in the mirror to find where the apples of my cheeks are. And then when I apply, I know exactly where I'm going to start with my application, so I can then buff it out from there. With the monochromatic look, I really like to focus the color on the center of the face, so it really does marry everything together and look intentional. All right, and the final step is to find a matching shade for your lips. So this one is by Giorgio Armani. It's the Lip Power Long Lasting Satin Lipstick. And you can see it has that really nice peachy tone. And that's it. And if monochromatic makeup has ever intimidated you, don't let it. I mean, look how easy that was. I would love to know what shade you're gonna try in the comments below. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye everyone.